You must have gone to the circus, where magic and stunts are shown. But in the 80s, some devils were also shown in the circus, to see which lakhs of crowds went to the circus. So in today's video, I will show you real videos and real photos of those circus freaks that you would never have seen on the internet. So let's start our video today with the top 10 circus freaks that actually exist, in which number 10 is Mirandu guys. Miran is such a stuntman of the world that even today doctors cannot understand him because the way he performed his stunts has not been performed by anyone till today or in the future. Because they used to take out the sword from inside their body without even shedding a drop of blood. Seeing their stunts, even the doctors of that time were surprised, and they did not take out the sword from just one place in their body, but they could pass the sword anywhere in their body. But still, there was no wound anywhere in their body and not a drop of blood came out. Mirandu was born in 1912 in the Netherlands, after which he started his childhood studies from there. And then after the age of 20, he started working in a company called Big Sat. And then there, because he didn't like the job, he left the job, after which he went from Netherlands to Amsterdam. And then after going there, he learned tricks of passing things like daggers through his body. And then after a while, he became so expert in these things that he could take out any sharp sword from the middle of his body. After which he joined the circus in the meantime. And then after joining the circus, his popularity increased even more. And then by 1940, he had become so famous that lakhs of people came to the circus to see his performance. Doctors were also so surprised to see this trick that a person puts such a sharp sword inside his body and not a drop of blood comes out of his body. After which the doctors thought that maybe there might be something in their sword, that the sword might not go through their body, but something else might happen. After which the doctors also took an X-ray of them to clear their doubt. And after seeing their X-ray, the doctors were even more stunned because the sword that was coming out of their body was clearly visible in the X-ray. Doctors could not even recognize this trick of theirs, how they do it. After which he died in 1948 due to rupture of his aorta. The aorta is the blood vessel in our body that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Due to damage to this blood vessel, Mirandu died. At number 9 is Johnny Egg guys. Johnny was born in 1911 in Baltimore, Maryland, where he had no lower part of his waist at the time of his birth. His lower part was not there at the time of his birth. After his birth, his parents thought that he might not survive in his life, and at that time the doctors also had the same thing to say. But Johnny's luck was something else. He was very sharp from his mind since childhood and started studying in his early days. And then after a while, he became so talented that he was also a painter and a musician, and besides that, he was also a filmmaker. He played a character in a movie called Freak released in 1932. Due to his lack of love, he was also known as Half Man and the Amazing Half Boy King of the Freaks. At number 8 is Martin Laurel guys. Born in Germany in 1986, Martin had an ability that might surprise you too, because Martin could turn his neck 180 degrees. That's why he was also known as Human Owl in the 18th century. A normal human will never be able to turn his neck like this. Martin used to perform this stunt in front of people in the circus very comfortably. This stunt might seem easy to you, but not everyone can perform it. It took Martin 3 years to perform this stunt properly. But due to this stunt of his, he died of a heart attack during a show in 1952. At number 7 is Martel Cowan guys. Martel Cowan is considered the most dangerous circus freak in the world till date because of his 4 legs. He has always done horror shows, which is why people were also afraid of him. But still, they definitely came to see their performance. He was born in Texas in 1968 with 4 legs. They were twins who were not fully developed, so Martin had 4 legs in his body, and because of his 4 legs, people became even more afraid of him. But even after having 4 legs, he could not walk properly, and then male hormones start increasing very rapidly inside his body, due to which his body looks like a girl. Annie was born in 1858. Since then, hair growth on her body started increasing very rapidly. And at that time, she went to a circus called A Great Show on Earth. And after going to the circus, she decided from then on that she had to work in the circus. After which, in her early days, she played a side role in the circus. But as her age increased, she was taken in the lead role. And then after getting the lead role, she became very famous because of her face. At number 2 is Pauline Musters guys. Pauline Musters is the smallest girl in the world till date. Her height is only 61 centimeters. Born in Jand, her size was much smaller than a normal child at the time of her birth. And even after her age of 9, she weighed only 4 kilograms. Due to her height, her name has also been recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records today. She was famous for her dance in the circus where she danced to songs and entertained people. She was also known as Princepin in the circus. She died of pneumonia and many other diseases in her body 17 years after her birth. So guys, finally let's talk about number 1, which is Chang and Eng Bunker guys. These two conjoined twins were born in 1811 in Thailand. At the time of their birth, they were joined to each other by their stomachs. And in the 18th century, our medical science was not so advanced that these two could be separated by surgery. Today, our medical science has become so advanced that any kind of disease can be cured. But in the 18th century, due to lack of so much technology, these two brothers worked in the circus throughout their lives. They became so famous that people started coming to the circus just to see them. After which they collected so much money that they could go back to their country Thailand. And after going there, they started a real estate business with a friend of theirs, which was also successful. After which this friend of theirs invited them to a wedding. And after going to the wedding, both the brothers like two sisters. And then these two brothers also get married to them. But their family and many other people were against them. But still, they married those girls. Now you will be surprised to hear about them. These two brothers have 21 children from both girls, of which 11 children are from Sarah's marriage and 10 children are from Chang's marriage with Adelaide. They both keep their two wives in separate houses. After a while, both these brothers get addicted to alcohol and stroke, due to which their condition becomes so bad that one of the brothers dies first. And then after 2.5 hours, the other brother also dies. So guys, which of these circus freaks did you find the best? And if you have gone to see the circus, tell me in the comments below what you found most dangerous there. So guys, this is enough for today's video. We will meet with another new interesting video. Till then, bye.